Even at stock height, and especially if you're lowered, the front splitter in your Focus RS is very susceptible to damage. Today we're going to show you an innovative new product designed to add an element of protection. These precision-made skid plates are designed to fit your 2016 to 2018 Focus RS. This is going to mount on the bottom of the factory splitter and protect it from the common damage from going in and out of a driveway, steep roads, and anything like that. The kit is made right here in the USA, installs using factory hardware and supplied hardware, and they include everything necessary for high-quality installation down to the tools. For this installation, we need a lift or a jack and jack stands, Phillips head screwdriver, a bit driver for the supplied T25 Torx bit, and a drill. Our scrape armor is going to mount right here, and since there is adhesive involved, we're going to start with our alcohol mixture here and just basically clean the whole bottom. We'll start by removing some of our factory hardware here. We're going to use that to hold the panel in place so we can drill out some new holes. All right, we're gonna put it up into place, dry fit it, install the factory hardware back in. The kit includes this centering drill bit that actually has a spring-loaded stop in it, which is perfect for drilling the holes. What you're gonna do now is basically go around, and then every spot where there isn't OEM hardware reinstalled, we're gonna drill a hole. Make sure all the holes are free of any debris. And grab the supplied screws. Just turn them in a couple turns. You want to leave them still loose at this point. And leave the ends loose at this point. They use a different screw. And the last one on the end is an included washer. The washer is going to go above the scrape armor. Same thing on the other side. All right, with the screws in place, we're going to remove the factory hardware we put on earlier. That'll give us a little more movement on this panel so we can get it down far enough to install the scrape seal compound. I'm gonna grab the edge seal compound. You wanna make sure you've got a good sized gap all the way around. The screws are loose enough. If you have to remove one or two of them, just do so. What you're gonna do is put this about 1/4 of an inch inside the scrape armor, kind of all the way around. I'll go back through and basically just tighten all of our screws up. Definitely do this by hand. You don't want to over tighten these. While it's still wet, I'm going to grab this blender. use the tool, just blend it in. And then just reinstall factory hardware. And your installation is finished. This is a great way to add another element of protection to the front splitter on your 2016 through 2018 Focus RS. The installation is pretty straightforward. I'd say it's going to take you about an hour or two and you'll be back on the road in no time.